Welcome, all you tiger hunters out there, to Baxter's Blades. You're entering the tiger pit. What have we here? We got an unboxing special box from Sanctified Leather Works, no longer called Sanctified EDC Gear, but this is the only sticker I have. Steven, awesome member of the community, I'm guessing he is unloading. He is getting rid of a lot of knives, and I was going to ask him why, but frankly, it's none of my business. I'm sure he has a fantastic reason. Who knows? Maybe he needs money for surgeries. I don't know. But he has been posting knives on Instagram that he is selling. Another note from him. I will not read it on the video. This is personal. Oh, the light went out. What is going on? Okay, back again. Opened it with my little Steel Warrior peanut. It's kind of the stoneworks, but these are all synthetic. Very cool little peanut. Nice carry. Glad I got this one. What is technical difficulties? Yeah, my wall socket's bad. I probably should go through it. Don't want to burn down the house, though. Maybe I should call the landlord. So, yeah, he's unloading knives. If you are friends with him on Instagram, you can see he posts knives daily. And these are a couple. One I do have, one I didn't have. I'm glad I didn't purchase it because he has just some screaming deals. Thank you very much, Steven. Is this how it's going to be? The whole video? Hold on. Well, Jiminy Criminy. Jeez. Got the light to work. Hopefully it stays on. Two Rosecraft here. One I had or have. One I don't have. And honestly, when he posted this, I thought he had said the Mosquito Moose, which I didn't have. And I'm like, yes, buy. And he said the Briar Patch Jack, which I already had one. But such a great deal. I called up my buddy Brad and let him know I got one of his favorite knives. Let's check that one out first. Brad has been getting into Rosecraft and really liked this one. Steven claimed this was completely new, unused. The gray smoky bone. Let's take a look at it. It is a nice gray, dark gray smoky bone. Of course, blade's perfectly centered. Beautiful clip point blade. D2 steel. Very sharp. Half stops, stamp tang, clip point, and lamb's foot. A very unique option on a two-bladed knife like this. Swedging at the top, very cool. Very nice knife, Steven. Thank you so much for offering this up. Brad will be very happy. I love mine. It is kind of a chunk, but one of Ken's of Last Chance Knives' favorite. And then, well, this is one I never picked up because, well, it was black micarta. And I prefer their bone. Jeez, can I get it out? I prefer their bone. I assume they're eventually going to come out with this in bone or stag or wood. Who knows? But like I said, Steven offered up such an amazing deal. I cannot pass it up. This is their muskrat. With the spade shield, it will go with my Savage Creek. I'm a huge clip point blade fan, and one of my favorite knives that I've had for a long time is the Roper Muskrat. A very cool knife. 2 clip points from either end. Woo! She's got a pull. And that could be because the nail nick is so far toward the back. Wow. Wow. What a pull. What a killer muskrat. And what I love about muskrats is you got your main clip point on the show side, and it goes straight down. Wow. Awesome. Of course, perfectly centered blades, Rosecraft, 0 gaps. I guess I'll hold it up to the light. Yeah. No light. Incredible fit and finish. But what I really like about the muskrat is that this blade, look at the cant down. It's almost like a moose where it cants down. Both D2 blade steel. Incredible. Wow. Really strong pull. This is awesome. I think these go for about $62 if they are still available. I have no idea. I kept joking on the live streams that I am waiting for the stag bone, That would be awesome. Nice thick stag here. Now it's a thicker slip joint because it's 2 blades, and they don't skip on the blade stock on these at all. So it's thick. It's a nice handful. I love this blade that cants down. Feels really good in the hand. What a perfect size. Good 4-finger grip. Rosecraft stamped on the tang. But anyways, I love their bone. I'm not too big on their black micarta. It is very nice, nicer than their old micarta, and very durable. And the spade shield, I literally almost got this because it was a muskrat and it had the spade shield to go with my Savage Creek. Very strong pull on this. Like I said, it could be the nail nick position. Instead of being, up here, it feels a little stronger because it's back toward the tang. 2 amazing knives from Sanctified Leatherwork. Steven, thank you so much. I check your channel daily now to see what you're going to sell next. And as a matter of fact, I picked up your Case 6.5 Stag Barlow because it was such an incredible deal, and it came with your custom slip. And I do have the 6.5 Barlow, but I may be able to use it as a giveaway. I may be able to gift it to a friend, or just keep it to have 2 6.5 Stag Barlows. Rosecraft is seriously killing it. Now, I do kind of prefer the single-bladed Cane Creek Jack, the Coke bottle, over this. But I'm just really glad that Rosecraft is offering multi-blade slip joints now, because they've always just been single blades. Oh, wow. Just incredible. And these are 2 multi-bladed slip joints. Now, some people ask, well, hey, when are you coming out with the Stockman? Well, yeah, well, 3 blades, that's a whole nother story. And this is a thick boy, and this is pretty thick. You could do another blade on there. Andy is really adamant. He doesn't want blade rub. You can cram them in there, but quality knives from Rosecraft Blades. Thank you very much, Steve, and thank you so much for bearing with my technical difficulties tonight and watching. To all my subscribers, I greatly appreciate you watching. I love it when you like the video, and if you're a new watcher, I guess subscribe if you feel like it. Thank you very much. You all stay sharp, be kind, and take chances. Take care.